Hiring Hoosiers is our commitment here at WRTV to connect you to job opportunities and resources. This last year, it's become even more apparent that healthcare workers play a vital role in caring for our loved ones. But there is a shortage of nurses during this pandemic. Our Nicole Griffin is looking into an effort to retain and increase the number of nurses, especially in rural communities.
It gives me a chance to give back to my community.
Mahalia Prather is in her last course of WGU's nursing program. She's currently doing her capstone project at Witham Hospital, where she already works as a CNA in Boone County.
I provide care for my neighbors. Some of my coworkers are people that I grew up with.
Prather lives in Thorntown, about 20 minutes away from the hospital. Up until now, she's completed her clinicals at larger hospitals in Indianapolis.
I really fell in love with the place, and I'm anticipating hiring on after graduation.
Witham Hospital is the smallest that WGU has been able to place a student in for their capstone project. Leading this effort is Mary Carney, the director of pre-licensure nursing for WGU Indiana.
We're trying to bring that program into the rural areas, use those smaller hospitals as clinical sites, not for huge groups of students, but for one or two. Help those smaller hospitals kind of upskill their workforce and not remove those people from the community while they're doing it.
Carney says this is especially important because we have an acute shortage of registered nurses in Indiana, and about 50% of the workforce will retire within the next 15 years.
We would like to help meet that workforce need by taking people from these smaller communities and allowing them to attend a quality, accredited, nonprofit nursing program.
The average WGU student is 37 years old, has a full-time job, and is raising a family. Carney says it removes a barrier to becoming a nurse if clinicals and other aspects of the program are offered in the community they live in.
It gives you more sense of fulfillment. It's very rewarding being able to take care of your community.
Carney is currently in contact with nearly a dozen smaller hospitals across Indiana to continue expanding this effort. Working for you, Nicole Griffin, WRTV.
Since WGU is an online university, not much has changed during the pandemic. Leaders say their program allows those with busy schedules to earn a bachelor's or master's degree, as more than 70% of students work while in the program.